Okay, today we're gonna do how to pull up to the right. How to pull up to the right. As you do in your word test, the examiner will give you a specific location to pull up either to the left or to the right. Oftentimes students are struggle not knowing how to pull up after doing their word test. That alone, the entire word test can be good, but if you cannot pull up as the DM examiner wants you to pull up, that is the problem. You're gonna have to get some brush up lessons so you can get it together, right? So in this video, I'm gonna give you all the basics for how to pull up to the right. So when you ask to do so, it will not be any confusion for you, right? So the first thing I have to tell you, you have to make sure that you do all your verification before pulling up. Many students oftentimes fail to do their verification. They just pull up without checking. That alone, even you pull up good, can take you the test. We don't have time for that. Make sure you do all your verification, all right? Then you're gonna follow the instruction from there, all right? So we're gonna do it here so I can show you how we get done. It's quite simple. You only have to do all your verification, and we're gonna bring the car on an angle position. As a matter of fact, we're gonna do it right here. That's even better. We're gonna bring the car on an angle direction, just like this way. Pay attention until your front bumper cannot see the curve. Looking at the front bumper, not outside. You take one full turn as the car going to your opposite side on the left in this manner. Then you come to a full stop, put your car into park, and it's all over. Now, here's what I want you guys to understand. Pulling up on the right is different from parking to the right. Why am I saying this? I've seen students, when the examiner says we're gonna pull up to the right, they line up, wanting to do a parallel parking, or do the parking where they're telling to pull up. It's two different things, right? When you're pulling up, test is over, they just want you to pull up, give you the result of what was done and the test. If they want you to do a parallel parking, they will clearly ask you to do a parallel parking. A pull up is different from a parallel parking. So we're gonna do it one more time so you can have an idea of how to pull up to the right with no issue, all right? So this one was in a between two car. We're gonna do it again. The examiner gives you a specific location. We're gonna pull up on the right. You signal your intention, mirror and shoulder, foot cover and the whip. We're gonna go diagonal on an angle direction until your front bumper cannot see the curve anymore. Then you're gonna turn one full turn to the left and let the car take you through. Right over here, put into parking, and it's all over. You do not have to do anything extra. You simply follow the right direction that is given to you, then you act up on that, all right? Contrary from parallel parking, pulling up is different, all right? So oftentimes I've seen students get big time confused on how to pull up after they're doing the word test, okay? So this is it for today. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do this by hitting the subscribe button and also ring the bell notification icon so you will be the first one to be notified each time that we drop a video, all right? So if you have already done your word test, then you can share with us how was the ending of your word test in the comment below so people can know whether they had you pull off to the right or to the left so they can be learning from your past experience. Until then, keep practicing.